Hi there, I'm Dr. David Bressler, a professor in the Faculty of Agricultural Life and Environmental Sciences at the University of Alberta. In my research group at the university, we study how to convert agricultural feedstocks and byproduct streams into items of higher value. One of the core projects that we're working on right now is creating value from the specified risk material, or the components that were potentially landfilled out of the livestock processing industry, into items of higher value. To do that, we start with something that is specified risk material, which you can see here is a powder. It contains pieces of bones and protein, and unfortunately I can't open this for you at this time. This is considered somewhat of a controlled substance, and we have to handle it and work closely with the Canadian Food and Inspection Agency on how we handle and regulate this material. What we do is, following protocols approved and have been demonstrated to be safe, we take this material, and with this reactor, we've developed a technology working with the government to hydrolyze this material into something that's safe and has been proven safe in animal modeling. Unfortunately, at that point, the protein and pieces of protein aren't really worth that much to industry. What we've studied with our lab group is, after hydrolysis, you get something that looks very thick and gooey, very much almost like a bitumen from the oil sands that we would see in Alberta. What we do at that point is we then extract the protein pieces. These are little small broken up pieces of protein that have been rendered safe. At this point, they don't have a lot of incremental high value for the industry, and traditionally what's been looked at is just disposal methods. That doesn't add any value back to the producer and to the agricultural community in Canada. What we've done with our team is study different types of chemistry that allow us to actually cross-link those small pieces of protein into hard, rigid plastics. Our focus is to try and create an additional value, and depending on how we cross-link them, we can get different types of plastics with different strengths and different flexibilities. What we're doing right now is working with industry to try and find applications in everything from automotive car parts to structural materials that will allow us to give value and true value back to the agricultural community.